In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate an annual percentage growth in Tableau. Whether you're looking to analyze trends over time or understand your company's financial performance, calculating growth percentages can provide valuable insights. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to launch the Tableau application. Once you have the software running, it's time to access your worksheet where all the magic will happen. If you're not sure where to find it, it's typically located on the main dashboard of Tableau under the Workbook tab. Now, with your worksheet open and ready, navigate to the menu at the top of the screen. Here, you'll want to click on Analysis and then select Create Calculated Field from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll define your custom calculations. When the dialog box appears, you'll need to name your new calculated field. In this case, let's call it profit margin. After assigning a name, you'll enter your query into the provided field. When you're satisfied with your input, simply click OK to save it. With your calculated field created, it's time to put it to work. You'll need to drag that profit margin field over to the rows shelf. This step ensures that your calculation is displayed on the worksheet, making it easier to visualize and manipulate later on. Next, you'll want to customize the appearance of your data. Right-click on the axis labeled Profit Margin and select Format from the context menu that appears. This will open up a panel on the side where you can adjust various settings. Within this Format panel, you'll need to switch to the Axis tab. Scroll through the options until you come across the Numbers category. Here, select Percentage to change the way your profit margin is displayed. This adjustment is crucial for interpreting your data in a real-world context, as it allows you to easily see percentage changes over time. Finally, for improved clarity and precision, tweak the number of decimal places displayed. Set it to show just one decimal place. This small yet significant change cleans up your visualizations, making them easier to read and understand at a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated and formatted the annual percentage growth in Tableau. By following these steps, you can harness the power of Tableau to gain deeper insights into your data. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to revisit these techniques as you become more familiar with the platform. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.